How to use LawDepot LLC agreement templates properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Many beginners think forming an LC using LawDepot templates is straightforward, but the surprising truth is that mistakes can lead to legal confusion, disputes, or non-compliance. The first mistake is using a generic template without customization. LawDepot provides templates for operating agreements, but failing to adjust terms for your business structure, member roles, or voting rights can create issues later. Personalize the agreement carefully. Another common error is overlooking state-specific rules, as the laws vary by state, and templates must comply with local requirements for management structure, taxation, or filing. Check state laws before finalizing the document. Many users neglect member contributions and ownership percentages. Clearly specifying capital contributions, profit sharing, and voting rights avoids conflicts and ensures all members understand their responsibilities. Failing to include dispute resolution clauses is another pitfall. Beginners often skip specifying how disagreements will be handled, leading to costly legal battles. Include mediation or arbitration clauses as appropriate. Finally, some assume the template replaces professional advice. Complex arrangements, multiple members, or tax implications may require attorney review to ensure compliance and clarity. To use LawDepot LLC agreement templates properly, customize terms, follow state rules, define contributions and ownership, include dispute resolution, and seek professional advice when necessary. Avoid these mistakes and your LLC will operate smoothly, legally, and with clarity.